This month is Cybersecurity Month and Cybersecurity Awareness, kaya kami nandito walang sawang disseminate the information about cybersecurity because despite the SIM registration law, we have seen an increase doon sa number ng mga reported victims ng scam. And it is important to us na malaman ng mga estudyante, ng mga teachers, ng community natin what are the potential risks being online at this point in time. And at the same time, nag-conduct din tayo ng ibang trainings on areas like AI and yung sa Tech for Ed Center managers.
It is imperative that we educate our citizens about the importance of digital proficiency. By promoting cybersecurity literacy, we empower individuals to protect themselves and contribute to the overall safety of our digital infrastructure.
Provincial Government of Kalinga will continue to collaborate with the ICT Kalinga and CAR to ensure that our province is at the forefront of ICT development and cybersecurity. Together, we will work to build a more resilient, informed, secure Kalinga for the benefit of all. Thank you, and with you, at tutuloy ang ating